These kind of projects and their highly innovative approach support Angelini Pharma ESG strategy in every aspect we are addressing. Our ESG strategy is based on 4 main pillars and 2 enablers. Our 4 main areas are planet, our people, patients and communities, and ecosystems. And the 2 enablers are innovation and governance. First of all, it contributes to our planet pillar, reducing our environmental impact. It reduces our energy consumption, consequently our greenhouse gases emissions necessary to fight climate change. It also reduces the use of materials, water, and the generation of waste. It also has a positive impact on our people pillar, enhancing knowledge and skills of our employees, also through the collaboration with external valuable partners. It certainly helps our patients pillar, assuring our final consumers stronger, innovative production processes. Last but not least, it also contributes to our ecosystems pillar, influencing the ecosystems that surround us, enabling collaboration and knowledge sharing with our supply chain, our sector, and private and public research.